This is the season that a lot of people are dealing with colds, flus, fevers, chills, mucus, and things like that. Ever since I've been eating extremely healthy, I don't have mucus. I used to have a lot of mucus, a lot, all the time. And, since I've been eating healthy, I haven't had that. And I know that a lot of times for me, it was foods that caused it. And there were other things that I may have been allergic to, like different dusts and things like that, and stuff that was in the air that would cause that problem as well. Let's crack a lack. And if you think somebody will benefit from what I'm about to share, sprinkle the video. Press that button that begins with the S and let them watch the broadcast. I appreciate you. This is something you can do yourself, and you make this and you drink a glass about every 4 hours. Since I been out of town, I've had crazy drainage. I mean, I'm constantly going. It was so thick. I still have it, but it's not as bad. I was constantly clearing my throat. I could barely complete a sentence without clearing my throat a couple of times. On Monday, or I don't know, whatever, over the weekend, I had a fever, I could tell I had a slight fever, and I had the chills. This might have been Tuesday. So my daughter came home. She was like, I'm gonna make you some of that stuff, because she'll make it. She makes it for me. I showed her the recipe, and she does that. And my grandson has been having an issue too. Coughing has been crazy. Could be because, he plays a little football and he's outside in the cold, whatever. And it's been raining and stuff like that. Now, the first thing my mom said to me was I said, man, I'm not feeling that great. And she was like, ooh, you may have a flu coming on. You need to get you some soup, because everybody want to get some chicken noodle soup, right? Some Campbell's chicken noodle soup, because it tastes good, but it's not beneficial. It don't help you. You know what I'm saying? It's canned. It has all that sodium and all that other stuff you don't need. But I love me some chicken noodle soup. But I was like, no, that's not going to work. And she said, well, have you had the flu shot? Mom, I never get the flu shot. If I had the flu shot, it was like 20 years ago or 25 years ago or something like that. But I don't think I've ever done it. But if I did, it was a couple of decades ago. I don't get the flu shot, and I never get the flu, right? Or pneumonia or anything like that. Now, I do get upper respiratory situations, because I would have a allergies turn into a sinus infection, and then that gets in your chest and cause all type of problems. I'm sure you have dealt with that, or you know somebody who's dealt with that. What's cracking lacking? Thanks so much for joining me on my broadcast. Anywho, this is what you do. You get you, and preferably organic. So you get you an orange, lemon, white onion or onion, grapefruit, garlic cloves, some cayenne pepper, and if you get a big pot, you can slice each of those fruit in half. Like, you slice the grapefruit in half, slice the orange in half, slice the lemon in half, and put it all in the pot. Slice the onion in half, put it all in the pot together, with a few garlic cloves and some cayenne, and you pour water over it to cover it up. So if you got a big pot, maybe like a gallon or whatever. Now, what my daughter did was she just sliced a few slices of each of the fruit, because she used this pot right here. See, so that's not a gallon. So you can do like half of the fruit if you want, but she just sliced it up and put all those ingredients in there, and then covered it with water, and you let it boil for like 10 minutes or whatever, whenever it comes to boil. And then you let it sit and simmer for about 40 minutes and let it cool down. And then you drink a glass every 4 hours. I'm going to tell you, on Tuesday, I drank 1 cup. I wish I had my cup in here so I could show you the size of the cup. It wasn't that big. I drank it. It was hot. It felt good going down. And she added a little honey. Now, normally, I don't put honey in it. But, we put a little honey in it. Honey is healthy for you anyway. And I just normally stay away from anything that might turn into any type of sugars, even though it's healthy, because of the cancer battle that I got. I don't want any sugar, but put honey in it, stirred it up, and I drank that. And the next day, the mucus that I had was like 3/4 less. You hear me? 3/4 less. So that's like 75% less than what it had been all day. Where normally I couldn't complete a sentence without clearing my throat. 3/4 of that was gone and eliminated. So that is amazing. I only had one. And so still have some left. And I'm boiling this, and because she's at work, and she asked me to put it in like a few bottles for her so she can have to the side. Then I'm gonna make some fresh, and I'm just gonna use what we have, which is a few slices, orange. This is a big onion. A few garlic cloves, a few of these, and I'm gonna put them in here, cover it with water, and let it boil, let it simmer, and then pour it in a cup. Not the fruit, just the liquid. It's like you're making a tea, and you use the whole thing, the rind and everything. That's why you want organic. Okay, that's why you want organic. If you don't have organic, you need to get you some. I'm just saying, it don't cost that much more. One thing I don't like anything about feeling unwell, but when I'm not feeling that great, I force myself to do nothing, to not work as much on my businesses, to chill and let my brain be free. And so sometimes when you're feeling bad, go ahead and force yourself to just rest. Whatever it was you think you needed to do will still be there. It won't be the end of the world. You can get it done later, but your body, your temple is most important. Let me know if you try this flu bomb. If you know somebody that's sick, tell them to try it. I can almost guarantee, because people be tripping. You can't like guarantee nothing, that it will work. If your child's not feeling, we've been giving it to my grandson's not feeling well, you should see a difference. I only had 1 cup. The next day, 3/4 of my mucus situation was gone. So I'm back to drinking. I need to drink it every day. Go ahead, knock that out. But you can do 1 glass every 4 hours, and you should feel amazing the next day, or immediately. Not immediately, but you know what I'm saying. You feel me? You get it, what I'm saying. But my voice is still kind of hoarse, but I don't feel bad or anything like that. My eyes are kind of like puffy, but that's just how it is with allergies. I just, I ain't come on here long to wear makeup anyway, but this is me. This is how I roll. Well, I want some other ways about how you can combat all of the bad germs and things like that. You need something with some antioxidants in it. Just message me and I can share with you something that I do and something that my grandson has been doing since he was like 2 years old. He would just come ask me for it. It comes in a juice form, and every day, goes to the refrigerator. He gets it and he drinks it. Recently, we ran out. He hasn't been taking it. Plus he's been outside in the cold and rain because he, playing football and stuff like that. He's on a little football team, which I can't believe. Something he was just born last week. But anyway. Envision what you want and then go get it. Eat your way healthy using the things that God created and put here for us to keep us as healthy as possible. Obviously, we're imperfect, so we can't be perfect, but we can do things to help to improve and sustain our way of living. Booyah.